Hi guys, welcome back to my channel Technology, and today in this video tutorial I will show you guys how to fix unidentified network on your Windows 11 PC or laptop. So you just need to follow me. So firstly what you have to do, you just need to right click on your start menu, go to device manager over here, click on device manager. After that you just need to expand network adapters, right click on your Ethernet adapter. In my case here it is Intel Wi-Fi. Make sure that it is up to date. If it is not, then click on update driver and click on search automatically for drivers. If you have a driver already downloaded on your PC or laptop, then you can browse your computer to install latest version of Ethernet driver. After done, you just need to close this window. Now you just need to go to your start menu and type over here PowerShell. Now right click on Windows PowerShell and click on Run as Administrator. After that click on Yes. Now you just need to put some command over here which I'll give you on my video description. So the command is called ipconfig /release. Before done this step, make sure that you are not using static IP. For that you just need to go to your run. Just go to your start menu and type run, open run window and type over here ncpa.cpl, then press enter, and here is my Wi-Fi adapter. As you can see, go to properties and go to IPv4. So in my case, as you can see, it is DHCP. So if you have any static IP over here, then you just need to note down to your notepad. After that you just need to run this command on your command prompt. So the command is called ipconfig /release, then press enter. Once it will done, you just need to type another command which is called ipconfig /renew, then press enter. After that put ipconfig /flushdns. Now once it will done, you just need to put the last command which is called ipconfig /registerdns, press enter. After done, you just need to restart your PC. So after restart your PC, go to your start menu once again, type PowerShell. Right click on PowerShell, click on Run as Administrator, click on Yes. Now type over here netsh int ip reset. Now press enter from your keyboard. Once it will done, you just need to restart your PC once again and try to reconnect your Wi-Fi, and it will fix your problem. So I hope this quick tutorial will really help for you, and please don't forget to click on the subscribe button, like button and share button. And if you have any questions or questions, then comments down below. I will see you guys in the next video. Till then, bye bye, take care.